If you don't want to open an image that's already stored on your hard drive, and instead want to download images from the internet and save them locally, this video is for you. The Pillow library can't do this functionality on its own. Instead, we're going to use the power of the request library for downloading the image, and then we can save it with Pillow. We've discussed installing Pillow in another video, but we need to make sure that we have requests available as well. So in our virtual environment, we'll use the command pip install requests. Now we need to include the import statement in our code for Python. And we'll also want to import bytes.io from the IO library. We won't have to install this as it's part of the standard library. Let's create a new function called downloadImage, and we'll pass in a parameter of the URL where we want to get the image from, and the file name we want to save our file as. Now we'll construct a GET request for the URL. And then we'll create an instance of the image class with the binary data we receive as a response from our GET request. At this point, we could manipulate the photo, add some text, but this is just a small proof of concept, so we'll go ahead and save the file. Now let's call our function when the file is executed. So we'll set if name equals main, and plug in the URL of our image, and the file name we want to save it as, and we can pass those parameters to our downloadImage function. Let's run our program. And as you can see over on the left in PyCharm, my project directory is refreshed to show our newly downloaded image. We can of course open the file to double check that it saved the data correctly.